Magpupungko Rock Pools. Location, Surigao del Norte. Magpupungko Rock Pools was a popular swimming hole for locals. Over the years, it has risen to become one of the top attractions in Siargao. Here, you can find gorgeous natural pools surrounded by interesting rock formations. The water is so clear and refreshing that you'll immediately want to dive in. Magpupungko Rock Pools is located inside a resort. It has a modest in-house restaurant where you can buy food and drinks. Make sure to time your visit here because the tidal pool is only visible during low tide. Number 12, Balagoon. Location, Siargao, Surigao del Norte. To be honest, everything in Siargao is a must visit, and so it is not a surprise that another spot makes it on this list. Balagoon is a beautiful lagoon with a floating cottage and restaurant, a diving board where you can jump directly to the water, and water sport rental facilities including kayak and paddleboard. It's a great place for swim, a kayaking tour, and generally a place to rest and enjoy the beauty of the island. Number 13, Sohutan Cove. Location, Bukas Grande, Surigao del Norte. Sohutan Cove National Park is an otherworldly maze of lush islets and caves. It's only an hour away from Siargao by boat, making it easily accessible as a day or overnight trip. Here you can kayak in the Blue Lagoon with its clear blue water, venture deep in Crystal Cave, or dive underwater to get inside Hagukan Cave, or take a dinghy into the stingless jellyfish lake. Don't forget to visit the floating restaurant for delicious seafood and Filipino meals to replenish yourself during your adventure. Number 14, the Britannia Group of Islands. The Britannia Group of Islands is a cluster of islands and islets located in San Agustin, Surigao del Sur. It has become one of the most famous tourist attractions in the province because of powdery white sand beaches and clear turquoise waters. Most tours operating in the Britannia Group of Islands visit at least 4 islands from the entire group. The first stop is usually Buslone Island, the largest among all of the islands. It features a long stretch of fine white sand beach and limestone cliffs and formations reminiscent of those found in El Nido, Palawan. Naked Island is the next stop over. The island is called such because it is basically just a sandbar with no vegetation at all. For those who enjoy a less crowded beach and go for a tan, this is the perfect place to spend more time because most visitors would only stay to take pictures in fear of getting sunburned as there is no shade to protect them. Hagonoy Island, on the other hand, is famous for its coconut and talisay trees dotting the entire island. It is an ideal place for swimming because the waters are very calm and clear. The last stop is usually Hioran Island, famed for its mushroom shape with a pocket of beach on one on its sides. However, it is not very ideal for swimming because of abundant presence of sea urchins and corals in the area. 15. Aliwakwa Falls. Location, Davao Oriental. Aliwakwa Falls is a sight to behold.
It stands at about 1,100 feet with over 80 tiers, making it the highest waterfall in the Philippines. This is a great place to swim and enjoy the nature. For more adventure, you can ride the 680-meter-long zip line across the waterfall and cross the monkey bridge, where you can view the rushing waterfalls below. Aside from being a tourist attraction in Davao, this waterfall also provides water for irrigation to the surrounding rice fields and renewable hydropower to local communities.
Number 16, Mount Apo. Location, Davao do Sur and North Cotabato. Rising over 2,965 meters above sea level, Mount Apo is considered the highest mountain in the Philippines. It spans across the provinces of Davao do Sur and North Cotabato. Mount Apo features different landscapes, from streams and swamps to mossy forests and rocky terrains. Only experienced mountain climbers are advised to go here, as it is considered a major climb with a difficulty of 7/9. The climb from the trailhead to the summit and back usually takes 3 days.
Number 17, Great and Little Santa Cruz Island, Zamboanga City. The Great Santa Cruz Island, also known as the Pink Beach of Zamboanga, is a must-visit for beach lovers around the world. It has a pinkish sand shore, which is due to the presence of crushed red corals mixed in the sands. This island is a great day trip destination from the city. It's easy to get to since it only requires a 15 to 20-minute boat ride from the port. Once at the island, feel free to take a break with a scenic view, take pictures of the colorful bonitas or traditional boats, or swim at the crystal clear beach. There is also a nearby mangrove area where you can kayak and an underwater snorkel spot open for snorkeling and diving.
Number 18, Malabawi Island. Location, Basilan. If you're dreaming of visiting Basilan, one of the spots you should visit is Malabawi Island. This resort features a white sand beach, baby blue water, and a long boardwalk where you can take pictures. You can go here for a day trip and visit another one of Basilan's hidden gems, Lampinigan Island. Or you can stay overnight in the resort's rooms and cottages.
Number 19, Bungao Peak. Mount Bungao, famously known as the Bungao, is a mountain located on Bungao Island in the province of Tawi-Tawi. It is a mountain formed with 6 limestone pillars that serves as its 6 peaks. It is the Philippines' southernmost peak. Bungao is inside the Bungao Peak Ecotourism Park that was inaugurated on July 3, 2017. It is a 250-hectare forest that is one of the last remaining moist forests in the Sulu archipelago.
30. Mount Hamidita. Location, Davao Oriental. Mount Hamidita Range Wildlife Sanctuary is a UNESCO World Heritage Site found in San Isidro, Davao Oriental. It features interesting landscapes including a pygmy forest, meaning there are many dwarf plants and flowers here. One of the few existing in the world. It's also home to various flora and fauna, some of which is endemic to the area, as well as the Philippine eagle, Philippine cockatoo, and more. Reaching the summit and back requires a 3-day trek. If the activity is not for you, you can instead visit the Mount Hamidita Natural Science Museum instead of arrange for a day trip to the waterfalls and natural pools in the surrounding forest. That's all for today, guys. See you on our next videos. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for the next update. See you on our next episode of these videos, the 30 most amazing beautiful tourist spots in Mindanao, Philippines. Thank you very much.